distinguish between artificial intelligence and machine learning. Yes.
Are they synonyms, or is one just a piece of the other?
Right. So AI is the master concept. You should think of it as this huge umbrella term.
Okay.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, it describes any machine, any system that's engineered to carry out tasks that traditionally would require some kind of human-like intelligence.
And that definition it's broad.
It is very broad. It covers everything from the simple decision tree logic of an old school chess computer all the way up to highly complex modern systems like Siri or your car's collision avoidance system.
So AI is really about the result. The goal is to successfully mimic human capabilities. Pattern recognition, making a decision, identifying an object.
Exactly.
We don't necessarily care how the machine gets there, just that it does.
That is the key insight. The system doesn't need to think like a human, it just needs to perform like one in that very specific context. The earliest AI relied so heavily on programmers just hard coding explicit rules for every possible scenario. Which brings us to the methodology that, it changed everything. Machine learning. If AI is the big tent, where does ML fit in?
Machine learning, or ML, is a specific subset of AI. And it's really the dominant methodology we use today to build sophisticated AI.
Okay.
The crucial difference isn't the goal, it's the process. In traditional AI, you gave the computer the full recipe. If ingredient A and ingredient B are present, make dish C.
Right.
ML just flips this on its head. We throw out the recipe entirely.
So you give the system the ingredients and the outcomes, and then you just let it figure out the rules for how to combine them.
That's it. We provide the algorithm with a massive amount of data, and we allow it to learn the patterns on its own, deriving the rules by itself.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. So instead of giving a computer rules to identify food like pasta is long and yellow or rice is small and white, you just show it hundreds of examples of pasta dishes and hundreds of examples of rice dishes, and the machine figures out the subtle differences it needs to tell them apart.
And that transition from explicit rules to autonomous pattern recognition, that's what made modern AI so incredibly powerful.